In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text portrait in Canva. A text portrait is a really eye-catching design where a shape or image is filled with words, usually repeated text, quotes, or phrases that match your theme. You can use this effect for social media posts, posters, album covers, or even personal gifts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along inside Canva. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any size you like, an Instagram post, a poster, or a custom dimension. Once your canvas is open, look at the left-hand side panel. You'll see options like elements, text, and photos. What you want to click on is the option labeled Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of its extra tools and features that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. After you click on Apps, you'll see a search bar at the top of that section. In that search bar, start typing text shape. This will help you quickly find the specific app you need instead of scrolling through a long list of tools. Make sure you spell it correctly so that Canva can pull it up right away. Once the results appear, look for the app or feature called Text Shape. When you see it, go ahead and select it. Clicking on it will open the Text Shape interface, which allows you to create shapes that are made out of text or have text arranged inside them in a visually interesting way. Next, you'll usually see a button or option to open the tool fully within your design. Click on Open. This connects the text shape tool with the current design you're working on and brings up the options where you can start typing and customizing. Now it's time to type in the words for your portrait. Think about what you want your design to say. This could be a name, a favorite quote, song lyrics, or a set of words that describe the person or subject of the portrait. Type your text into the provided field. For a stronger effect, you can repeat the same words or phrases so the shape looks more filled and consistent. When you're happy with your text, click on Add Design. Canva will then generate the text shape and place it directly onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it, move it around, change colors, and integrate it into your overall layout to complete your text portrait.